This is the Redragon K762 Terraflare Pro keyboard. And let's get straight to the point. This keyboard is perfect for anyone who wants a full-sized, lightweight, quiet sounding, but good feeling mechanical keyboard. The K762 Terraflare Pro also comes with this little LCD screen where it displays your caps lock and stuff, the time, the date, your battery percentage, or you can also include a GIF or GIF, depending on how you pronounce it, if you just want a cool little display on your keyboard. Now this keyboard also offers tri-mode connectivity, so if you want to connect it via Bluetooth or using the 2.4 GHz dongle, you can do that as well. And of course it comes with your 5-layered foam dampening. Now this is the blue and white variant, which features the Mint Mambo switch. And the Mint Mambo switch, it's pretty light and it feels very good. It's on the quieter side, so if you're looking for anything thocky or clacky, this is probably not it, but it's perfect for office environments. Now everything is controllable on your screen, so all you have to do is press the button and you can scroll through various different settings if you want to change language, the RGB, time. Everything is controllable from the button, but of course if you want the full experience, they also feature a software where you can change the lightings, create macros, and upload your own GIF. And I'll give you guys a real quick sound test of the keyboard so you can hear for yourself. In the unboxing we have this is some crazy packaging, by the way. There's like no cushioning, everything just slides out. Some extra switches, a USB-C cable, a switch and keycap holder, some stickers, a user manual, and of course the keyboard itself. Now there's only one thing that kind of turns me off about this keyboard, is that because it's made out of plastic, the frame of the keyboard isn't too sturdy, and especially for a really large keyboard like this, there's a lot of creaking noises that comes from the keyboard just because it is flexing, and it can get a little annoying when you're holding it, but you know, you're never going to be holding your keyboard, it's always going to be on your desk, so it's a very minor, nitpicky kind of problem. But yeah, I just wanted to point that out. And you can also control the RGB right from the keyboard itself too. As you can see the space bar, you can turn off the lights, or you can change the lighting modes, you can change the brightness, the speed. Yeah, lots of features on this keyboard. So yeah, thank you Redragon for sending this keyboard out to me. If you want your own, I do have a discount code in the description. But once again, this keyboard is perfect for anyone who wants a full-sized keyboard, quiet but good feeling switches, tri-mode connectivity, 5 layers of foam, and a little LCD screen, which is always a plus. But anyways, that's it. See ya.